Good morning, students. Yesterday, before this lecture, we have studied about the role of police in a criminal system. As you studied that giving punishment is not duty of police. They took the criminal to the jail and then they starts investigation. They collect evidences to perform their duty. After the collection of evidences, they fill charge sheet in the court. After that, the work of prosecutor starts. Here question is there, what is the role of the public prosecutor? Public prosecutor put the interest of state. In court, it is the public prosecutor who represent the interest of the state. The role of the prosecutor starts once the police has conducted the investigation and filed the charge sheet in the court. Public prosecutor has no role to play in investigation. They do not do any type of investigation. The prosecutor must conduct the prosecution on the behalf of the state. As an officer of the court, it is prosecutor's duty to act impartially and present the full and material fact, witness and evidence before the court to enable the court to decide the case. It means he put the interest of the state that whether the criminal had done crime or not, and then after that the work of judge starts. Here question is there, what is the role of judge? After listening all evidences, witnesses, the judge is as an umpire in the game. He decides whether a person is criminal or innocent. Here, the judge is like an umpire in a game and conduct the trial impartially, and in an open court, the judge hear all the witnesses and any evidence presented by the prosecution and the defense. The judge decides whether the accused person is guilty or innocent on the basis of the evidences. After listening all evidences, he decides that the person who is in the court, he is innocent or he is criminal. It means only the work of judge is to decide whether the accused person had done crime or not, and if it is proved that the person had done the crime, then they decide the punishment for them. The next topic which we are going to discuss is what is fair trial. In the case of Shanti, we come to know that she was innocent. The procedure which is given in our constitution, it helps for the people who are innocent or the people who do crime. We find out the real things with the help of criminal system, and when the correct evidences are given in the court, correct judgment is given by the judge, it is known as a fair trial. In case of Shanti, we came to know that how the criminal system works. In our constitution, the procedure is given, the rights are given to the person to present themselves in the court, their view with the help of public prosecutor in front of judge. Article 21st of the Constitution that guarantee the right to life, that state that tells that a person's life or liberty can be taken away only by following a reasonable and legal procedure which is given in our constitution. In the case of Shanti, we have studied how the judge had given the judgment according to evidences. He did not jump directly, he did not told that no, she had done theft, she is criminal. He did not sentence her punishment. In this way, the judiciary, the system, the criminal system, they work according to one system. They provide the fair trial. Here, the Constitution and the law both state that all of the persons that we have discussed in this chapter, we have studied in chapter about that, it is given, carry out their roles in proper manner. Means the role of police, the role of judge, the role of public prosecutor. They have their role in proper manner. What this means is that they all need to work, ensure that every citizen is irrespective of their class, caste, gender, religious and ideological background gets a fair trial when accused. The rule of law, which says that everyone is equal before the law, would not make much sense if every citizen were not guaranteed a fair trial by the Constitution. In our Constitution, according to the rules and regulations, when every person get the fair judgment, get the correct judgment, it is known as the fair judgment.